Hi, I'm David Linger, Technical Manager for Technology and Automation for Epiroc, and today we're going to discuss how to save the ears program from a PDF after it's been emailed to you, and then also load it to the MC2 controller. And the ear system is the electronic air regulation system, but everyone calls it ears for short. First, you open the PDF with a PDF viewer. I'm using Adobe. And then you go to the Attachments tab inside the PDF and save the IDA file to your computer. This is the location that I have picked, and then hit save. And then once you've done that, that file can then be loaded to the controller, this file right here. So we're going to load the ears software on a DM45 high pressure using the I Can Run software. I'm using version 4. I always open the software and click on the measure group. Make sure you're actively reading. It'll say USB online down at the bottom. You know you have a good connection. You come over here and you choose send project. Navigate to the location on your computer where you've stored the program. Select it, hit open. It's going to ask you, do you want to update your system? Choose yes. Make sure the engine's not running. Okay. And it should send the program. Okay, so we have the notification, system updated. Click OK. And then come back over, click on the measure group. And down in the bottom right here, it tells you the part number and the revision number. So you can tell that you loaded the software. And then you can click on the project version. You can see all the information. And you can see the sensor data reading, so you know that the program is working. For more information, please contact your local service center or dealer.